Good morning. What it is, what it was, what it shall be. This is Farmer Joe. And I tell you what, guys, it has been a day. Yesterday was, y'all know what it's like when you're moving. And when you only got a little bit of help. I thank God for my brother, Bernard, who helped me yesterday. I could not have done it without him. But I tell you guys, it was a beast. I mean, we got up there in Martinsville about 10, and we did not finish until it was, I think it was what, almost 5:30, 6 o'clock, something like that. Because we didn't get back into Winston until I think it was about 7:30, a quarter to 8, and then we had to unload. But thankfully, we got some good neighbors here on this street. A few of them stepped in and helped us get the rest of this stuff off the truck and into the house. But of course, I'm not going to show you what the house looked like. You can only imagine, because after a while, I said, just put it, just drop it. I don't care where you put it. Just get it in the house. But as usual, guys, I was out here in the garden, and there's some more things going on. And as usual, I do want to share it with you. So let me turn my camera around. And first off is this strawberry plant. I mean, when we planted this, I didn't think it was going to make it. It was leaning over to the side, and even these leaves, they look a little strange. But this baby is really growing. And of course, our squash. I've got to start training some of these vines some more, because they're reaching out trying to grab something. This is my wife's special squash. Look at those blooms. They are just so beautiful. And you know, our flagship vegetables, our tomatoes, they are really looking good. Cherry tomatoes. Yeah, everything is just growing so well. Let me take you on around here. You can see, but yeah, we got our collards. Everything's growing. But let me take you over here to the north field, and we're not going to look at the chickens today. They're just doing what they're doing. But let me see if I can show you this. We got one. Look like it's another one coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was that? 6. There's one trying to emerge there. And then, of course, the ones we transplanted, they're doing really well. And over here, these are the petite yellows. I just saw these two emerge. Of course, this one I planted. There's another one. So I think I counted. Looks like, guys, we got about 14 watermelon plants between the ones that were transplanted and, turn my camera back around. But it looks like we got about 14 watermelon plants between what we transplanted and what I sowed directly into the soil. And of course, it is already getting to be a scorcher. I got tons of work to do. We got to finish unpacking. I'm sure my wife said we are definitely going to have a yard sale, so keep your eyes out for that. We got a lot of stuff here that we just don't have the room to keep everything, and we want to bless people and earn a little money along the way. But as always, appreciate the likes. I can't see who that is. Let me take my shades off. Oh well, appreciate the love, appreciate the likes. Look, if you are new, this is Joe the Farmer. We have a YouTube channel, Bountiful Harvest with Joe and Keisa. If you haven't already done so, go over there and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell and check out what we got going on. Guys, we're going to keep you updated on this gardening journey as we go. And we appreciate all the support that we have gotten, all of the love, and I just can't say how much we appreciate it. But I'm gonna tell you, everybody knows moving is you know what, and it about laid a brother out, because I looked at my Fitbit and I had 17,980 steps. I had walked 7.68 miles yesterday, so brother definitely got a workout in. And then I've got to get back out here in this field. I got to cut grass. It's a lot going on. But look, just wanted to come on quickly and give you an update, show you what's going on, share my pain, share my joys, and remember my motto, or not my motto, but remember about the 3 components to change. The first thing is you make a decision. The second thing is you make a commitment. And then the third thing is you become consistent. If you're consistent to your commitment to your decision, you will change. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Later.